The Ormeus ecosystem proposal for listing the ECO token on Binance DEX is now on Binance Community. Here's how to vote, comment, and let our voices be heard in support of the Ormeus ecosystem project. First, create an account on Binance Community. You may need to try several browsers to find the one that works for you. Next, make sure to confirm your email account or you won't be able to vote. Once you have confirmed your account, return to the proposal page on Binance. At the very bottom of the proposal text, click the up arrow to cast your vote yes. You can also show your support by providing replies and comments on the proposal. At the bottom of the proposal page, press the reply button. Additional support can be shown to the other commenters and those supporting the project by pressing the up yes button on each of their comments and also replying to their comments in line. You can also show support for the project by clicking the three dots to the right of any vote, reply, or comment and sharing to your social media networks. Thank you for showing your support to the Ormeus ecosystem proposal on the Binance community. We are looking forward to our listing and thank everyone here for all of their support. Let's go Eco!